Alright, language explorers, let's look at this Sunday's preposition, among. Among. Within the same area as. Same area. Or lost in the midst of. Lost in the midst of. I am standing among the crowd. Among the crowd, yeah. They were always among us. Yes, within us, around us. I was among them for weeks, or being a member of something among them. How long have you been among them? Were you always among them? I never knew you were among them. Oh, what a surprise. I have a red piece among the blue pieces somewhere. Somewhere there's a red piece. There is a red piece in here somewhere. Yeah, among the pile. Yeah, it is among the pile. Yeah, they are among us, around us, in the same area. We were stuck in the city among the crowds. Yes, they walked among us day and night. Yes, she studied among other foreign students. Yeah, how cool is that? He went there and was among them for a month. Yeah, 4 weeks. How cool is that? So he visited them among the celebration. So we went there and celebrated among them. Yeah, celebrated their festival. Their festival among them. Yeah. Among them. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, I'm waiting among the traffic. So, yeah, the traffic is here, waiting among the traffic. I'm waiting among other people for the bus. We were among them just now. So, we were among them just now. Yeah. We don't need to be there among the crowd. Yeah, there's no need. Yeah, I don't need to be among them for long. Yeah, I can leave. Yeah, we found it among the other tools and scrap metal. Yeah, we found it among the pile. We found it among the pile of things. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, among, so maybe it's there. I found this book among other interesting books. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? So, can you use among in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. Yeah, and you can find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.